In case you haven't heard, July 4th, 2026 is not just any Independence Day. And Independence Day, 4th of July, those are already big sellers on Etsy, but this one is about to be huge. Hi, my name is Emily. Welcome to this week's Coffee and Cha-Chings. I'm a mom of two and multi six-figure Etsy print-on-demand seller who loves helping others with practical tips, tools, and strategies to help you grow your shop. And in this week's Coffee and Cha-Chings, we are talking about an upcoming holiday and seasonal product that is going to absolutely blow up shops this year. And side note, it already is. This July 4th, 2026 is actually the 250th birthday of the United States of America, and people are celebrating big. And that means they are buying big on Etsy. And yes, this is an exciting birthday for the United States, but even more so than that, there's just so much opportunity here to make fun, unique, and special products for Etsy buyers. This is so much more than just a holiday. This is a special milestone moment. And you know, I am all about designing and creating products for those big milestone moments in people's lives. And this is a literally once in a lifetime moment because the US is only turning 250 one time. And this is probably going to be the last big milestone birthday for a while for the US. So if you are an Etsy print on demand seller and you are not designing for this seasonal product, then you are definitely leaving money on the table. So let's fix that. But what I want to show you today is what seems to be working for these gifts for the 250th birthday. Before I dive into those, I do want to mention this because I want to make sure you keep your shop safe. It is very important to look up on USPTO any trademarked phrases when it comes to the 250th birthday. There are some different phrases that are trademarked, so you do want to stay away from those in your keywords and in your designs, but there is still plenty of opportunity here and a lot of different ways we can go about it. So let's look at some of the trends that are selling in this space. All right, over here in Etsy, I've done a simple search for USA 250th, and you can already see a lot of popular now badges popping up. This is going to be so big. People have already been shopping for this. If you have even been out to Target or any of the other kind of chain stores, they are already putting stuff out as well for this big milestone coming up. A few things that I'm seeing working really well is incorporating other trends into this holiday. So, for example, we know that these kind of college letters, coquette bows, stripes, all of those things are working across the board on Etsy. So, that's a great thing to incorporate into your designs. Another trend that is super popular across Etsy is this faux patchwork design. And this is being used a lot in this July 4th space right now. So incorporating patchwork flags or USA letters, that is working incredibly well. The other thing I want to say is it's not only t-shirts that are selling. Garden flags, ornaments, banners, all of these things are selling in high numbers already. Just look at this product here, and it has only been listed for a month, and it has already sold over 100 times. So if that doesn't show you that there's a lot of demand here, then I don't know what will. Another design style we are seeing working incredibly well in this space is the hand-drawn doodle design, which again has been a huge hit on Etsy for a while now. And you can see that they're incorporating into the 250th birthday and doing red, white, and blue, and a lot of different graphics that kind of fit the United States. And the last thing I'll point out as something I'm seeing working really well are these 250th anniversary or birthday party ideas. So, digital invitations, decorations for these big July 4th parties happening this year, it's going to be big. So, you can see here, this invitation is pretty young and is selling really well already. And people are already planning months ahead of time. So, now is absolutely the time to start hopping on this in your Etsy shop. So, if you take anything away from today's coffee and cha-chings, it's that this is a major once in a lifetime for many people opportunity. And it's something people are investing in. They're already buying, they're already searching for these products on Etsy. And now is the best time to start hopping in. So this week, I would love for you to look at your own Etsy shop, look at the products you're selling, and think to yourself, how could I incorporate this big July 4th occasion into my shop? Post a listing or two, and let's get the ball started. And don't forget to like or subscribe below so you don't miss a single weekly video sharing tips and strategies with you to help you grow your Etsy print-on-demand shop. And I would love to hear your comments and questions below as well so I can answer them in an upcoming video. Again, my name is Emily. I look forward to seeing you next time.